and the masters of the universe.
Hey, who the hell turned the lights off? Hey, what's up, my niecey? I'm Adam, and this is a cat. This is a cat. Isn't he green? Strange people gave me this pink outfit, but then I changed when I took my magic sword out and said, I'm not gay! I have a sword! My green cat became bigger and had red armor on him, and I became He-Man, the most powerful man in the wilderness. Also, these four creatures are very bad. Knock it off. Today's episode is brought to you by Smurf's brand asparagus. Asparagus can only be measured by the taste of Smurfs. Jesus Christ.
Okay, Cringer, time to put your private part through this hole.
Not right now, Orko. I'm trying to sleep.
Oh, come on, you big lazy ass. Get your butt up and do it. If you do it, I'll get you a nice big piece of chicken. How does that sound there, Cringer?
Chicken?
Hey, we can make it Popeyes.
Popeyes? Ooh, well here I come.
Hey, no!
I did it. Now give me my chicken.
Hey guys, what the hell's going on?
He said he wanted Popeye's chicken.
I did not. You said you was gonna give it to me.
Alright, quit being a oh! I got a headache. I think it's Popeyes.
Hello, Prince Adam. You are wanted to get the Popeye's chicken from Skeletor.
Cringer, you know what that means. Time to find Popeye's chicken.
Did you know this chair is completely made of Popeye's chicken's bones I've collected over the past 12 years?
Oh, someone's taking the thing.
I think I might know who it is, bitch. Trying to steal my recipe for Popeye's chicken, I see. No one does chicken like I do.
It's my turn.
No kidding. No one does chicken like me, bitch.
Oh, this means I must be close to the chicken.
Hey, man. Do you ever sometimes think you're not getting at it?
Well, sometimes, Battlecat. Like one time I was with Evelyn. I saw her, she saw me, we were battling with Skeletor one time.
Huh?
Yeah, I tell you, when I saw her, I was pitching a tent like two Boy Scouts trying to get their Eagle badge.
He-Man, I was talking about Popeye's chicken.
Oh, you were? Well, of course, that's what I was talking about.
Man, you're one sick He-Man.
Oh, God, we're supposed to meet with the He-Man.
Zibba-da-ba-da-boo.
We should probably go.
Zibba-da-ba-da-boo. It's going to be the boo. Dee-da-ba-zin-da-doo. Buddy.
It's just great down there, you know, Popeye's.
Ran out of biscuits and gravy?
Yeah, the gravy got all the dough, you know, the kids ran around and they put it on, you know, and, you know, the biscuits and gravy.
No huh?
And, you know, sitting the old biscuits and gravy all myself, and I started bowling around in it, you know, tossing salads and stuff like that, you know, biscuits and gravy and stuff.
Well, I don't think we need to worry about biscuits and gravy. We need to worry about He-Man.
Hey guys, look at my piece. How do you like that for a cock? Cock is a slang term used for your penis or your scrotum. Now get going, you.
What was he talking about?
Something with Popeye's chicken, I think. Man, you're so fat that when people cut you open, you bleed gravy. Now let's get going.
Then you're ringing a dong, Skeletor, you know, calling Skeletor, you know.
Where's Popeye's chicken?
Well, let me see here. Well, if I remember where old Brow Rabbit used to run, it better be about right here, yeah.
By Skeletor's place?
Well, I don't know no thing about Skeletor, but I know something. I just want to get my chicken. Well, you get your chicken soon enough then, boy. But after I tell my story about, you know... Hey, what you doing here, boy? Get back in there. I told you to stay in that cave there, boy. Get in.
But I just wanted to.
Hey, don't tell me no thing about that. Work my legs off, you know what I'm talking about, yeah?
It's alright. Hey, boy. Meet Cringer. He's my friend.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Hey, be careful that damn old tiger there.
Well, I guess we better go to Skeletor's place.
Boy, he's slapping my leg. What happened?
It works! Now for the real thing.
Coca-Cola, proud sponsors of the Special Olympics.
Hey, Sorceress, you want to get it on? Oh, holy hell in a rooster house.
Time has come, Beastman. First you must get in the ship, take off, and then jump out.
Okay.
He's gonna do it. What a dumbass, bitch.
We want to watch too.
Here I go.
I'm out of here.
Not so fast, Skeletor. Can you dance?
Better than you can, bitch.
Let's find out. Hit it.
Until next time, man.
Time to smoke a Betty Boo Betty. I know, Skeletor, it's my mama's recipe.
I'm so glad you came on such short notice, He-Man. The chicken has yet to be found, and time is running out.
How can we be of assistance, Sorceress?
As you know, my recent yeast infection has caused me a lot of trouble.
You had a yeast infection?
Everyone knew about that, He-Man.
Oh, I guess I wasn't in the loop on that one.
Anyway, the point I'm trying to get at is if we don't get to the Popeye's chicken soon, Castle Grayskull will be in grave danger.
You mean?
Yes, the blobby one-eyed fat ass from the Dark Kingdom will rise and try to take us over.
Not only that, but it'll infect the chicken.
Then I think we may all get a yeast infection.
But only women can get them. Now, everyone, get your people together. Try to find out where Skeletor is hiding the chicken.
Will do, Sorceress.
And bring me back some Molestat 7 while you're at it.
It is time, everyone. Get down. Go, Skelly. It's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's my birthday. Skelly's in the mountain on the Snake Mountain. So come and give me the up. I know the wrong place. Skating up a bridge to Eternia. I'm gonna take it over like a pile of curd. Yeah. Raise your arm. Do it like it's your birthday. I don't know what that was he was in, but we better get our creatures together so that we can battle He-Man. Taylor, guess what? I'm Amish.
Wow, I didn't know Amish people could fly.
Yeah, I just went down to ask King Randor. He said it's because I got this Abraham Lincoln thing going on. I'm an Amish guy. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, well, whoop-de-dee-doo, let's go.
Yeah, alright, let's go.
Damn, He-Man, that dragon's really going at it. When you gotta do it, you gotta do it. Yes, He-Man, but he's really going to town. We should probably go and join the others. Man, look at him go.
Follow me through this transport to Grayskull. Now we are just moments away from opening the gate. Where did this Chinese man come from?
He-Man! Skeletor's at the castle!
You hear that, guys? The Sorceress is in trouble, and she's got a yeast infection.
You weren't supposed to tell anybody about that!
Finally, a place we can cook our chicken. I hear their bathrooms are also spacious.
What the
You've lost this time, He-Man, but this time you've really lost. I have the Sorceress prisoner in a glass ball thing, and Castle Grayskull is mine. I'm gonna cook all my chicken in here, plug up the toilets, go through the Sorceress underwear drawer, and there's nothing you can do to stop it.
Not if I can help it.
So, Man-at-Arms, basically I was thinking in the best interest of Cringer that we get him a sex change operation. Pretty cool, huh?
Adam, basically, I think you've lost your mind. Geez, Adam, you're more confused than Arnold Schwarzenegger in a tutu holding an AK-47 made of bologna and cheese.
Oh my god.
Heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea.
Oh, Pepto-Bismol.
I need Pepto-Bismol.
It's whiplash.
I have all the signs.
Oh, mother.
These creatures are very bad.
Down! Hurry, Britain with oil!
Heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea.
Oh no, he's badly hurt. Get a gynecologist.
No.
get him some corn.
Dr. Chaplinsky, you have a circumcision in Lab 4. Please report.
Even though he's our enemy, we need to find out what's going on.
Well, there's only one man who would know.
No one, Lord Skeletor. No one. The chicken is mine.
The chicken is not yours, for I am the batter that makes it extra crunchy. How dare you declare ownership of the chicken?
Then perhaps we should join forces.
I join no one.
Hear me out. You bread the chicken and make it look good. Maybe you could bread my face and give me some skin.
I have a better idea.
And there's where you find Skeletor. You need to find him at the oak cave with the oak cubes. And that's why I take the Mr. Shaniqua. She loves it. She loves it every weekend. And anyway, hey, you keep stretching, boy. You stretch before you exercise. That boy never stretch. Oh, he pull hamstring. Don't know what's going on.
Even doing lunges?
Yeah, he pull hamstring. I know every day. He put on coming with me, yelling, screaming. He ain't doing nothing, man. I'll tell you what, I'll kill.
Oh, watch your mouth.
Now we need now is that Ram Man to do something special for us. Boy, me and the boy, take off, man. Boy, you'll never forget.
Hey there, Orko. Hi, Orko. Uh-oh, you lost your O-ring. Thanks, buddy. Huh?
Just let yourself, feel so silky smooth. Just let it shine through. Just let yourself go. My dad said I'm almost old enough to be a man whore, so that's kind of cool. Do you ever sleep in the nude, Cringer?
Why, kid, I hardly know you. And put some pants on, please.
No way!
Hey, I heard you be wearing no underwear. What's up, that boy?
It's okay, Daddy. I'm wearing underoos.
I don't even give no hint. I heard you about not wearing no underwear. If he say he don't wear no underwear, he ain't gonna wear no underwear.
Oh, but I don't want to wear pants, Dad. My legs won't properly moisturize.
Hell no! I ain't let you not come out underwear. You better get your ass back in here and wear some underwear.
Why can't boys wear skirts? They're less restrictive than pants, and it makes me feel like a natural woman. I mean, boy.
Have you ever thought about wearing lavender tights and a pink vest?
On occasion, but I don't think that would go well with my pansy white boots.
That's probably a good thing, because that boy stains up his underwear like a freaking racetrack, man. Skin marks everywhere. I can't believe my eyes.
Oh, snap.
Some bitch.
Don't you think maybe that was a little harsh on the boy?
No, it wasn't harsh enough. Come here, boy. I'm gonna beat you with this hickory stick.
I gotta go back to Eternia, Cringer, but first I gotta take a pee.
Oh, Adam, can you turn around?
Oh, God, there's a jar on my head. Oh.
Damn it, Adam, shut up. Listen up, everybody. You're not going to believe this. Apparently, about 6 months ago, Castle Grayskull was taken over, and somehow we forgot about it and partied all that time. The Sorceress is more angry now than when she found out Jello pudding pops were taken off the market.
I gotta go. Gotta drop the kids off at the pool.
He-Man also forgot her Monostat 7, so her yeast infection is out of control. What's worse is that we heard from Whiplash that now a giant blobby one-eyed fat-ass from the Dark Kingdom is now taking over.
I believe you, but I'd rather hear it straight from Whiplash himself.
Now a giant blobby one-eyed fat-ass from the Dark Kingdom is now taking over.
Well, I'm still skeptical, but go on.
Well, we need to get over there and take back our castle.
Guess what, Cringer?
I'm not gay. I have a sword!
Alright, Battle Cat. Let's take back what we forgot was ours.
Avast there. It'd be too late to watch course meetings, and there'd be blundering pirates lurking in every cove, waiting to board. Sit closer together and keep your ruddy hands on board. That'd be the best way to repel boarders. And mark well me words, mateys. Dead men tell no tales.
Just right through his door. Nice.
Maybe squalls in.
For crying out loud, can we get a change of music here? This is depressing. Oh God! Change it, Jack! Crying out loud, whose musical library is this from, anyway?
What is that Hobag mumbling about?
Bitch!
Cock-a-doodle-doo to you.
I'm sorry. I must have been mumbling. I meant to say...
I have a score to settle with you.
What is it you want with Castle Grayskull?
What castle did you say?
I said Grayskull.
Oh boy, you're not gonna believe this. I was supposed to take over Castle Greenskull, not Grayskull.
Oh, well, that's just over the mountain, about 20 degrees south.
Oh man, did I goof that one up.
It's okay. Happens.
Be good.
Wait! What about the chicken?
What about it?
I want my chicken! It's mine!
Have all the chicken you want. There's a Popeyes not more than a mile west from here.
You've been frozen inside those orgasm crystals so long, I guess you didn't know that. No more chicken conflicts, right? Okay, guys. Back to Snake Mountain you go.
We'll find something to fight about soon, He-Man. I swear it!
You are all to be commended for your bravery today. And thank you to He-Man. My little infection problem will be gone in 7 days.
Well, with all the yeast that is left over, we shouldn't let it all go to waste.
We can make a shitload of beer with all that yeast of yours, Sorceress.
is very gross, but if you wish to try that, then be my guest.
We could probably do that and serve it to the king, just as a joke. No one has to know.
This is fabulous beer. Would you please pass the cornbread?
Anyone want more of this?
This chicken is the bomb!
You're damn right, mother. Shoot.
I wonder what Skeletor's up to right now and if he even knows how to make cornbread.
Man, how the should I know, mother?